Okay, all right, so I'm taking you guys with me to Burlington to get a deep conditioner. And yeah, this is a relaxer I saw there. I was shocked because I've never seen a relaxer there, but that's the part 2, I guess, of the system. Anyways, I typically come to Burlington to find a deep conditioner when I ran out at home or if I'm tired of using my 3-minute Aussie. Alright, I'm back at the house now and I am setting up my steamer. As you may know already, I typically use my steamer when I deep condition my hair. I sit under the steamer while I deep condition. The worst thing about my steamer is administering the water. It takes forever for it to go down, so I'll use like the little cap part to get it to go down. Alright, so this shows you where the maximum line is. You don't want to put any more water than that. So that's what I did. Okay, so now that that's getting ready, this is the product that I got. It's a mask, a hair mask. The brand is Mask. It's a natural movement, smooth look, glossy hair mask, and basically it has keratin in it. So when I go to Burlington, there's usually a large quantity of products. I usually just gravitate towards something that catches my eye, and this caught my eye with the keratin. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the hair mask. Basically, the directions say to massage the product onto wet hair and concentrate on the ends. You want to leave it on for about 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. And you can use this weekly as needed. For myself, obviously, I'm going to leave it on longer than 3 to 5 minutes because I will be sitting under the steamer. And the steamer runs for about 40 to 45 minutes. So yeah, now I'm just putting it on all of my hair from my roots to my ends. Okay, so I'm just going to pin this up so that I can make sure that my ends and longer parts of my hair are actually receiving some of the steam once I sit under the steamer. And because it takes a little while, I usually like read a book or scroll my phone, one or the other, while I'm sitting under the steamer. But yeah, and that's just me making sure the vent is closed. Okay, and I actually ended up cutting off the camera because I don't want you guys to have to sit there that long and watch me under the steamer. But look at that stuff running down my face. That steam is no joke, but it felt great. All right, so this is my hair with the deep conditioner washed out. So when it came to blow drying my hair, I realized I obviously didn't wash it all out, so it left kind of a film over my hair, which my hair is already really thick right now due to new growth, so it didn't really turn out like I'm sure it possibly can. So I'm definitely going to be using this again soon. This stuff smells great. It felt great when I was washing it out of my hair. My hair felt really good and moisturized, so I'm definitely happy with the product. So I hope you guys like this video. Until next time, bye.